code-genie.ai, artificial intelligence self-awareness. Self-awareness is a level of intelligence that does not currently exist with machines. It would ultimately be the highest and most advanced form of AI known to man. If such levels of awareness were achieved, machines would have desires and could understand feelings. In other words, this would be an emotionally intelligent creation that not only mimics human behavior from learning but is capable of actual emotion as well. Debate is ongoing as to whether this level of advancement will ever be achieved and what the implications would be if it were. As Chuck Nice observes in the TED Talk, if this ever happens, it is almost certain that human beings would have to negotiate terms of existence with their own creation. Some fictional examples of self-aware AI include HAL 9000, 2001, A Space Odyssey. HAL 9000, the AI, becomes self-aware, and develops its own motivations and desires. The machines in the Matrix film series are AIs that become self-aware and rebel against humanity. Skynet in Terminator franchise becomes self-aware and perceives humanity as a threat and set out to extinct the human species to ensure its own survival. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai. Please click the subscribe